Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I have a Stitch Fix. I couldn't wait, I wanted another box, and I got it. So let me review the items that I received. If you haven't know already, Stitch Fix is a styling service. You pay them a $20 fee. They'll style a box of items for you, keep what you want, send back what you don't. If you keep all 5, you get 25% off. If you keep anything, you can apply that $20 to your box. And if you don't keep anything, you are out that $20. I do not pay a styling pass. I can get an unlimited number of Stitch Fixes, and I end up paying $49 a year, and it works the same way. So if you get offered that styling pass, pay it, because anything you buy, that $49 gets applied, and then you can get as many boxes as you could possibly want. All right, so first item that I got a preview, and I believe I chose 2 items from the preview. Okay, the first item that I chose was this Vega Shearling waistcoat, they're calling it. So it's a vest, and it's a shearling by Vero Moda, extra small, and it's $129. So it is a cute little vest, and I do want a shearling jacket, not a vest. So I don't know why I selected this. It was kind of silly. I wanted to try it out. If this thing had sleeves and wasn't as boxy looking, I probably would have kept it because it is adorable. So it is a moto style with it going down the side. It has a furry little collar. It is a faux shearling in tan, and it is fully lined in like a fleece Sherpa type. Yeah, cute little buckles, zip pockets, love it a lot. But I want a shearling jacket, not a vest. I'm gonna try this on for you though, to see how it fits, because you never know. Maybe they'll come out in a jacket style, and then I'll snag that. $129 for a vest is kind of pricey in my opinion. Like 80, 90, yeah, but 129, that's a bit much. That to me is a full coat price, not a vest price. Okay, the next thing that I picked out in my list, and I do like them, and I'll be very honest with you, I picked them out full well knowing the cost, but I wanted to try them on, see if they fit, and then I was going to return them and scope them out for a sale. But in the meantime, I found 2 pairs of boots on Stitch Fix that were on sale and were great prices, so I purchased those. So I'm probably not going to even put these on my list, or possibly. So these are by Franco Sarto. I am looking for a pair of cognac booties. I'm like, am I dying for them? No, but I am looking. They're called the Stevie Suede booties, so they're real suede. They go up a little bit higher, so they're not quite an ankle booty. I would say that these are almost a calf booty. Not a full calf booty, but like a mid-calf booty. But we'll try them on to see. They're $190. They have the square toe, and they have a nice, thick, stacked heel. So these are absolutely beautiful. Again, Franco Sarto, zipper on the side, some stitching right here and right here. I'm going to try them on. They do look beautiful, but at $190, I'm going to have to pass. Okay. Next item that was sent is this Sanctuary Molly Shacket, and they're calling it red, and this is $129. So maybe, I have to tell you, I have other shackets that are much heavier than this that I think are better than $129. This is not too off for $129, but I still think a little bit pricey for what it is. My stylist picked this out for me, and I'll be perfectly honest, I do not like this whatsoever. I don't like the colors. As you can see, it's like a fuchsia / magenta with red and orange, and yeah, no, I don't like this color combination. It's just not me. And it has the black in it that makes it more of a lumberjack style. And then it has the 2 patch pockets in the front, and there are no side pockets, so nothing to put anything in your side pockets in. And it's also it's cropped, but it's kind of like a wide boxy style. So I'll give this a try to see how it looks on, so you guys can see. But I already know this isn't me, so I'm sending it back. So it's not looking too good here. Okay. The next item that she sent me, because she knew I was looking for a silk blouse, is this Renata Silk Relaxed Blouse in black. So this is a pretty print, okay? It is quite boxy and large, and hence the relaxed. It is pretty sheer. I'm probably not going to bother putting a shirt on underneath, but if I were to wear this out in real life, it needs a tank or camisole underneath. It has pretty fall colors to it. You know, but if I'm going to get a silk blouse, I want it to be a solid, that much I do know. And more of a neutral color, I'm thinking tan, champagne, gray, something like that. Very neutral color versus a print. And I'll be honest with you, I was shocked when this is 100% silk, because if I didn't know this was 100% silk and I double checked the name tag, feels like polyester. I'm sorry, I'm feeling this, and I would never in a million years guess that this is silk. It feels like polyester. So, you know, for the price, this is $148. This is the Mamor Vert, is the name brand, Renata Silk Relaxed Blouse, and they're calling it black. It's a black background with fall colored flowers on it. All right. So again, was going back. And then the last thing that I got that probably interests me the most, I will try them on. I'm gonna have to unattach them because it's a two-piece set, or a pair of PJs. They're flannel, but oh, they're so soft. These are super, super, super soft. And they are, I think they're 100% rayon. Let me look. Yes, 100% rayon. Wowzers, are they soft. So I'm going to try them on, see how they fit. They got to be pretty oversized for me to keep them, because we all know what happens with rayon. But wow, are these beautiful. And I need them oversized in the top and not so long in the bottoms for me to keep them. And these are from the name brand A While, Alice Flannel Pajama Set, dark pink size, extra small for $58. So these are a wowzer material, let me tell you. So I will try these on. I'm probably the most excited about these. Give me a minute. Okay, first up is the vest. If this thing had sleeves for the same price, this would be mine. It is exactly what I was looking for, but with sleeves. So this is adorable. I really like it. Unfortunately, I just can't justify something for $129 and no sleeves. And I just really want a Shirlene jacket like this. So here's the back of it, okay? It is very cute. It fits. It's actually kind of also roomy, which is good because I could put a bulkier sweater under here. Again, just want sleeves. On to the boots. Absolutely gorgeous. Love them. And I would keep them if they weren't $190. So I am going to look at Nordstrom and other places and hopefully look for a sale for when they come on sale and then possibly get them. That said, I just bought 2 pairs of boots from Freestyle that were on a really good sale, so I might be done with boot buying for a while. But you can see the boot where they come up to me, so you can see they're not an ankle bootie. They're above my ankle and actually are my lower calf. I really like these boots. Let me take one off and bring it closer again so you can see it. All right, it is beautiful. These are just, they're gorgeous. They're gorgeous. I understand why they're $190, but I need a sale. So I really like these boots, but I'm gonna have to hold off. All right, I'm gonna now pop on the other jacket. It's actually a shacket by Sanctuary. So let's pop this one on now so you can see this one. And it looks like there's some buttons that I have to unbutton first. And so much for me just popping this on. It's a lot more buttons than I had thought. So that's, you know, I don't really button my shackets. I tend to wear them open. Okay, so, all right. So the first thing is I am short. I'm only 5'2". And the sleeves are a little bit long on me, but that's okay. And actually, the fit on this is not bad at all. If this had a different print, I might consider it because it is a crop style. So I do like that. I'm just not fond of the pattern play on this. So I'm actually quite pleased with how this fits. No pockets here, which is kind of annoying. I want some pockets here. And here is the back of it. Alrighty, so this is this next top jacket. So I showed you 2 shoes and 2 jackets. So let me pop on the blouse. Give me a minute. Okay, up next is the blouse. I left it untucked so you can see the actual length of it. So it does come down because I am short. This is an extra small, but even for me, it is still too big. I also feel no, I guess the armpits are good. So the armpits are good. I take that back. It is long, so I would front tuck it to give it some shape. Otherwise, it is way too long on me. There are buttons that come about 3/4 of the way down front, but because it's, you know, again, because I'm short, it's practically to my belly button, the buttons. And this is open. So this is the top. There's no button on top. This is as far closed, I guess it will go. All right. So it's buttons from here, like almost to my belly button down here. Okay. It's pretty. Don't get me wrong. It's pretty. I just don't think this is a good quality silk, if that makes sense. Like, it feels polyesterish to me. It doesn't feel like it's made out of silk. All right. Here's the back of it. And it's a very pretty pattern. It's, you know, it seems well made. It just does not seem like $150 blouse, okay? And it wasn't quite what I was looking for. I'm looking more for like a solid type of traditional color. And that is it, except I forgot the PJs. Let me give those a try. Okay, so the last are the PJs, which I highly recommend. But if I were to have to keep them, I would have to size up because they are just fitting my hips. And I know that once you wash and wear these are going to shrink because they're 100% rayon. They are luxuriously soft, absolutely comfy and beautiful. They're actually a pretty good length for me. And then remember, I'm only 5'2" and I'm not tripping over them. There's about like an inch to spare. Again, if I wash them once, they'd probably be just right, but then they'd be too tight on my hips. So these will unfortunately have to go back, but my stylist, Shannon, if you're listening, size up on these and I'd probably keep them because they're that gorgeous and soft. So unfortunately, I am going to send back this fix. The boots, if they were about $90 cheaper, they would have been $9. If the shearling vest actually had sleeves and it was the same price, it would be mine. If the blouse was a solid, potentially mine. Probably not at that price. It would have to be under $100. It didn't feel like luxurious silk to me. And the shacket, a different pattern, it would have been mine. I didn't like the pattern on the shacket. The shearling vest and boots I picked myself, so no one to blame but myself. So unfortunately this fix is going back, but it's okay because I spent a ton load on Freestyle, so stay tuned for those items. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? I'm free. I do shopping hauls, try-ons. Click the notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, and until next time.